This is our FiberGuard Fireworks collection. What Fireworks is a compilation of different jacquard cloths with the FiberGuard technology. And I'll start off by showing you our feature design, which is this beautiful geometric, and we've actually got beautiful photography in this too. This is absolutely beautiful, multicolored, and we have these designs. I'll just quickly flick through the designs. These designs that go with it. That's a diamond, and then this is the stripe, but it's got a special type of boucle yarn. And this is the overall texture, which is just beautiful. Looks like it's hand woven. And this is a chevron with a stripe, also beautiful. All works together. Doesn't exactly coordinate. It actually works together very well though. We have 30 SKUs, and it's mixed with all colors and all designs, all different rubs, but everything is high. I mean, look at that color. That color is just stunning. This combination, the brown blue. Very, very nice. And then we've also got wonderful visuals of this collection. All those visuals can be found at Twin Bru, and not only in these room settings, but also individually rendered on hundreds of different pieces of furniture and beds. So please check out Twin Bru for that. The other thing, being a FiberGuard fabric, it is Oeko-Tex Standard 100 certified, which means that in the production process, there are no chemicals or substances that are harmful to humans involved in all these recipes of all these fabrics. And that is our FiberGuard Fireworks collection.